This is Project Telluride, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 soft top built to our client's exact specification. Telluride is painted in full gloss Land Rover Corris grey with black accents. Telluride sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 features an original NAS multi-point soft top, classic front bumper with daytime running lights, and OEM style side steps. Inside, Telluride features a Momo Prototipo steering wheel with silver gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front seats, and 2 forward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a vertical diamond Garrett Torino caviar leather stitched together in scarlet and black. Telluride is powered by our GM 6.2 litre L92 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This D90 also features an array of modern touches such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, and access to USB ports throughout.